Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. We are working still on this sweet little house. The first is Kid Monster. I'm going to tag all three of these people so that you can check out their page. You can like and subscribe. Kid Monster is a co-creator of mine. The second person is Dolly, and then Sharon Kellum Quinn. Dolly and Sharon are both people that I've met through my dollhouse hobby. They both have a love of dollhouses just like I do, miniatures and also dolls. So check them out. As a reminder, I'm working on restoring two J-line houses from the 1940s. These are metal doll houses. We've already cleaned all the pieces, so they're as nice as they could be as far as cleanliness. A few of these had a few little dents or dings in them and a few spots that needed straightened out. I'm going to show you how to do that. Probably the biggest piece that needs worked on is this floor. This lip should be bent down at 90-degree angles like it is here at the start. But all the way down here, this has gotten flattened out. So let me show you how I'm going to attempt to get that straightened out. I use a couple pieces of wood. These are pieces of hardwood flooring that we installed a couple of years ago, and I kept these pieces out. They make really nice straight edges, and they're nice and hard. And I use a rubber hammer. This looks like metal, but it's hard rubber, and I use that to bend it down into shape. So I've got also a couple pieces. This was flooring sample, a couple of small pieces of wood that I might use. So for this one, I'm going to lay this across this longer piece of hardwood, line it up where it should be bent. We've got that started, and I think that's going to be effective. So I'm going to start, I hammer gently at first, and then a little harder, till I get the effect I want. And I'll do that all the way down this whole line, probably 5 or 6 hits on each one, until I get that where I need it to be. Okay, I've spent 5 or 10 minutes on that, and look, it looks really, really good. I've got another kind of dent I want to show you, I think, before we stop tonight. And let's look at this one. This one's got kind of a shallow dent right there. You can see it took a little paint off. And I'm going to do this by laying it down on the board, and I'll pound this way, and then I'll lay it this way and pound that way. That's the dent right there, so maybe I'll do that side first. Now, if I'm worried about damaging the paint, I could put a cloth or something over that, but I think what I'll do is I'll put my little block of wood right on it and hammer through it to protect that metal. That's looking a little better. Now I'll do that on every piece that might have a little dent or a little ripple or a little something that needs to be corrected in order to make this as straight as possible. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you. Come back and see what else we do on this sweet little house.